What are the 5 key features of Mintsoft? Number 1. Order processing and fulfillment. With Mintsoft you can consolidate all of your orders in one place and manage the full dispatch process from picking, packing to the shipping of orders. Number 2. Shipping management. With over 80 direct courier and multi-courier integrations all managed from a single platform, we support you with building lifetime supplier and customer relationships, whilst also providing features such as smart shipping rules, automated shipping label printing, and order tracking, to name just a few. Number 3. 3PL management. By storing your clients' picking costs, storage costs, and goods in costs, along with many other charges such as returns, packaging, shipping, and more, Mintsoft can automatically calculate invoices, which at the click of a button are viewable in a PDF, or exportable into one of Access's industry-leading financial, ERP and production planning systems, as well as other third-party financial systems such as Xero, QuickBooks or Sage Business Cloud. Number 4. Multi-channel management. With 60 plus marketplace integrations out of the box, Mintsoft keeps your channels up to date with stock levels, dispatch statuses and tracking information. Number 5. Warehouse management. Optimise your warehouse space and operations with feature-packed WMS capabilities such as an interactive warehouse map, low stock and replenishment reports, purchase order and ASN creation, a goods in calendar, and more. For any more information or to arrange a demonstration of Mintsoft, please feel free to get in touch.